Welcome back to cryptogains for another video. This is that next video I was telling you that I'm going to bring for you to do with the altcoins and everything else. Pay attention. This is not financial advice, but see it as good research. I showed you this and I said to you, we can't break below it was supposed to be $73,500, something like that, this orange line. And the reason being because if we break below it, it could be devastating. So I want to show you another chart which kind of like mixes with this one to give you a great picture as to why we can't fall below this orange line. Take a look at this. This is the Gaussian channel on the weekly time frame. Every time in the past we've come to this Gaussian channel and entered it and we've seen candles go inside right here, and I'm going to make this yellow so you can see, it's always been disgusting for the market. It actually means you've missed the top of the cycle. We're done. Because the weekly, I think the weekly one is more precise than any other time frame, the weekly time frame for the Gaussian channel, because there's no full signal. So when you come into it here, that's it. This is a sign that the market's done its week. You missed the top where we're going in. And if we fall below this mid-orange line, that's your sign to seriously think about paying attention and getting out. Just because you don't want to miss. I'll tell you what, because if you don't take profits when it comes below this orange line, right, and then you leave it, let's go from this orange line anywhere here, and then you leave your money, you're talking a disgusting 60% drop. And I want to take you back to see how accurate this is from when we break this orange line most of the times. So just entering this Gaussian channel is horrible. Look, there's your massive rally up, we fall down. If you don't think you've missed the top yet and you think it's going higher and you think that at some point we're going to surge again, but it doesn't, and then we enter it with this candle right here, pay attention. Wake up. Seriously, wake up and pay attention, because this is bad for the market. You should get the Gaussian channel up. You should come on TradingView and get it up. You come on indicators, you search GAU, yeah, Gaussian channel, right? Get it up, because I think it can save a lot of people a lot of money. If not, just watch the channel, like and subscribe, right? Because I'm going to keep sharing this. You need to see what's going to happen. Like I said, if we start to see candles come below this mid-orange line, these here, that's your chance to take serious profits before you see the most disgusting crash you've ever seen. Because anywhere, any of these candles, right, anywhere here, should it fall down, oh, hold on, I've got the, let me get the measuring tool. Should it fall down, anywhere here, you're talking a disgusting, right from the bottom, 55% drop. You're losing half your money. $1 million would be, you'd lose $550,000 from your $1 million made. If you had 10 million, you would lose $5.5 million. All because you was just not paying attention right there where you had the chance to take it there. If you missed, by the way, if you missed the top up here. So yeah, I'm paying serious attention to things like this, right? Here's a fine example of what happened with C19. You know, C19 happened, but tell you what, had we have just been watching this channel, you would have seen the weakness in the market right here. That was your warning sign. There's your candle. Even if it did rally back up, we already had entered it. Like, the weekly time frame doesn't really give any false signals. We had already entered it. That would have been a good time to say, actually, you know what? Maybe we should take something off the table. We've entered it. Or even if it came back up, damn, I should still consider taking something off the table because we had already entered it. Weakness, we rolled over, massive drop. People would say, well, how would you have known it's a black swan event? Yeah, C19 was a black swan event for some. But I don't know, maybe some people around the world, maybe people in Asia already knew what was coming, which is why that massive sell-off took us into this area and they already knew what was happening. It was only months later that it went onto the channels, went onto the news months later, and then the panic started to happen. You see? So there's always a head up in the markets, like a tip in the market somewhere with someone. So this is what we're looking for, to see if we get any candles coming, because if we do, danger. And right now, if a candle was to enter it, as you can see, every week it's slowly going up, but we can still keep it where it is. It sits about this white line. You can see the white price, 73,500. If we see candles, if we see the price roll over and come down and it falls below this and we see clean candles, at least 1 to 2 candles, it could be devastating for the crypto space. I don't think it's going to happen. I'd like to believe it's not going to happen. I'd like to believe we're just going to do this. See this yellow line? I drew this weeks ago. I'd like to believe we're just going to do that. Just recover. Actually, I can move that back a bit if I like, because it looks like we're already on our way. So we've fallen down in price, and now we might just have a nice V-shaped recovery, and then we see Bitcoin come up and make a new all-time high, which I think the highest it can go is about here, right? 22,000. At least that's what I think. If it goes higher, fine, great. You know, everyone makes money, more money. But this is why I said pay attention to this other chart here, because 73,500, if it goes below this right here, this orange line, 73,000, almost 500, that's going to put us in a crappy zone on the Gaussian channel. And that can, just these two charts alone could show you what's going to happen in the future. So this is what I'm keeping an eye on and keeping focused on it. I want you guys to be focused on it as well. I'm going to keep bringing this to let you know what happens. Hopefully Bitcoin can now see a nice recovery, and then we can come out of this and see a nice rally up to this white line. And then I'll bring another video. Well, I'll bring some more videos anyway, but then I'll bring another video when we're up here, just to say to you guys, wake up. Become a patron so you don't miss it, because they will see this stuff first. I've got 7 tiers, take your pick. My exclusive VIP partner tier is the one I recommend, this one here, VIP partner tier. But I've got loads of tiers, so whatever's best for you. If you can afford it, the next tier above, which is my CEO tier, gives you access to a VIP Telegram group. It's a powerful network to be in. There's some smart heads over there. They understand trends. They understand the market. They know what's going on. They're going to catch coins quick. They're going to catch the sentiment quick. The next hot narratives is going to move. They're going to do it because the group never sleeps. There's over 800 people in the group. So whilst half the world is sleeping, the other half is awake, and I'm waking up and seeing all of the new hottest things that's going on in crypto, if you can afford it. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Stick around, and yeah, I'll show you more on this as time goes on. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.
Never be defeated.